Hello coders, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see church management system. So before proceeding with this project, let's go to my channel LazyCoder. This is the channel where I upload multiple projects like inventory management system, college management system, online grocery shopping project, gym management system and many more are there that you can check this out on my channel like hospital management, library management and many more. So please subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create more projects. Let's go to the project that is church management system. I have already started the server. So this is the home page where the first section is the sliders one. Here you can change the photos if you want to. And the second section contains just welcome you to this management system bringing technology and faith together. And the last section is the footer part where I have just given the dummy details like email ID and phone number. It's just a dummy one, you can change this. So let's go to the features. I have written the features in my GitHub account. So in this project mainly there is two roles, that is first one is member, okay, and the second one is the father, that will be admin of this project. So let's discuss the features of each role one by one. So member will first register and log in. We will create the account with just details, and there will be no login approval required from the father. After logging in, members can view the available services like Sunday service, Bible service, and to book the services, members have to select a date and book the seats. And there is a COVID screening section also. So before booking, members must answer the COVID related questions. So if they will pass it, then only they can book the services like these services. And after booking, members can download the tickets. Where on the tickets, all the details like date and the seat number will be mentioned. Member can also view the profile, and there is an option of submitting the testimonials. So member can send a faith related things to the father for review. And for the father, that is the admin of this project, so father's account will be created through the super user command. Father can manage all the members like editing or deleting the accounts if there is required, and view the booked services like fathers can see all the services booking with service name like what's the member's name, date and the seat number. Father can also download the tickets if any members does not have it or lost it, so father have the functions to download the ticket for that members. Okay, and father can view the all the testimonial that is submitted by the members. So let's go to the project and see the it one by one. So we have already covered the home page, so let's go to the about us. So this is the text that I have added here. You can change this if you want to. And there is a contact us page. So if there is any guest member is there, like there is no any member or any father, so if there is any guest which who wants to give any feedback, so they can provide the name and send the message here. Okay, so let's go to, there is a two section here like member and father. So first we will see the functions of member. So go to the, if you click here, it will redirect you to this login page. So they below that there is a section like don't have an account, sign up here. So let's suppose I do not have any account right now. So let's click here and fill all the details. Let's give the profile picture here. So this is the, you can see the profile picture. Click on the sign up. So my once if you submit the sign up page, it will redirect you again to the login page. So just log in it with your username and password. So when I log in, it redirects to me this home page, and the options are got changed, right? So this is the home page for members, and these are the text like have I not commanded you? Okay, so you can change the text also. So let's see this one by one. So let's go to the first my profile. If they will click on it, it will show you like this: your profile picture, name, address, and your mobile number. Okay, and there is a event section is there. So if you click on it, there is three services like three section is there: view services, book services, and booked services. So let's click on the view services. So currently I have added the two services. You can add it many more if you want to. So there is a first service is service Sunday. So it will be open till 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. And there is another service midweek Bible study. So 9:30 to 11:30 timing is there. So this here we can just view the services. If you want to book it, you have to go to again events and then click on the book services. So let's click on it. So when we clicked on the book services, it redirects to me this page like COVID report. So I have already said that before booking the services, we have to submit the COVID report. So we have to click here like on the submit button. So it redirects me to the questions page like it is asking some COVID related queries. So if you see here, did you interact with someone confirmed with COVID-19? So if you click on any of the yes button, then it will say that you are not allowed to book the services. So for this case, I will click on the no, like okay. Did you have a cold, cough, fever or something? So I will click on the no. Have you traveled outside of the Philippines? So you can give your country's name if you want to. So click on the no. Have you been to an area with a high number of COVID-19 cases? So no. Click on the submit button. Now it's showing me the status like now you are allowed to attend the services. So if we click here again, book services, now it do not redirect me to this COVID related queries, right? Now it's saying that book the services. So if we see here, service Sunday, it's saying that every Sunday only, on Sunday only it will be open. And for this midweek Bible study, this will be open till Wednesday, only on the Wednesday. So click on the, I will show you by booking both the services. So let's click on the service Sunday. Let's click on it. So if you see here, it's asking the date, like on which date you want to book the services. So if you see here the date panel, it's showing me the only the Sunday dates for the June month, right? And all the other dates are disabled. I am not able to select it. If you click on the July, then also if only Sunday dates are available. So it will not allow you to book the services for the some other date. It will allow only for the Sunday dates. So if we want to book the services for, let's see, maybe on the July date, click on the 6th of July and click on the proceed. Once you proceeded with that dates, okay, your name automatically picks up, okay, because I have logged in with this account only. And how many seats that you wanted, you can book for your family members also. That means all the members do not have to create the account and log in and then book the services. One member can book the seats for others also. So if we want to book the four seats, let's say four, give the numbers here and click on this start selecting the seats. Now I am booking the services for 6th of July. Okay, right. So let's say A1. So my seat will be A1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. We can select the 4 only because I have given the 4 seats. If we want to select this one, it will not allow. It is not allowing me. It means the color is not changing. Okay. If we click here, then I can select here. Okay. So let's click on it. Scroll down and just click on the confirm selection. So now the details are coming like name, number of seats is 4, and the seats is this A1, A2, A3 and C6. So if we see here, C is the row and 6 is the column. So C6 is coming. So once you selected the seats, now you can click on the book. Once you book, it's saying that seat is booked successfully. Now click here to download the tickets. So tickets is downloaded here. Okay, and here all the details are there like church reservation system. Service date is this. Means I have booked this services for the 6th of July. Ticket is booked by Sumit. Seat number and attendees are this. Okay, and the service name is also showing here. Okay, so let's go to the project again and go to the events, and now let's go to the booked services. So here all the details will be shown to you like service ended you have booked, and you can download the tickets from here also. Okay, now let's go to the another services like midweek Bible study, and this will be booked only for the Wednesday. So let's click on the book, and here also it's asking the dates. Just one difference is there that a week, just only the Wednesday dates are coming. So let's click on the 9th of July. Okay. And here dates and timing is also asking. So the default dates are timings is also coming. So let's go with that only and click on the proceed. And here also like names is asking. This time let's book only two seats. Click on the start selecting and let's select these two seats. So the similar function is there for selecting the seats in this section. Click on the confirm selection and just click on the book. So it's saying the seat booked successfully. So we can see the booked services here, and all the second services is coming here like service name, Bible study, total seat, seat number, service date is this, and the booking date that is today. Okay. So we have seen these two services here, these two. And we have already seen this COVID, like submit COVID report, okay, and your COVID report also it's showing here. Okay, now it's saying that you are allowed to attend the services. We can submit the multiple times, like suppose if we click on the yes and then click on the no, okay. Here now it's saying that you are not allowed to attend the services. So click on the COVID and click on the view COVID report. It's saying that you are not allowed. So now we have covered this home events, COVID, MRM profile and logout. So now only one feature is left, that is testimonials. So here, what do we mean by the testimonial is that here we can select these prayer request or the testimonials. So suppose it is a prayer request or the testimonial. Let's go with the testimonial and give you type your message, and if you click on the submit, then this message will be sent to the father, like father can request to God or pray for your. Okay, so father please say to God, thanks to God on my behalf. Okay, so let's click on the submit, and this is a testimonial. So here it's saying that request submitted successfully. Okay, you can submit the testimonials or prayer request anytime you want. So let's go to the prayer request also, and just write like this is prayer request, okay, and click on the submit. So this is also submitted. So now we have covered all the functions of the members, and now we will see the functions of father. So let's log out with the members account and log in with the father's account. So let's click on the log out. So it's saying that you have successfully logged out. Okay, now click on the father. I have and in the father section there is a no sign up option because there will be only one father, okay, at a time. So basically it's a admin account. So let's log in. I have already created the father's account. So here, if you see here, all the features or the sections got changed for the father, and this is the home page for father. Okay, and here father can see the booked services like means the members. So all the members details will be shown here. Like Sumit has booked for the service 100, and all the details that we have just booked right through that Sumit account. Okay, and father can also download the ticket and the seat number and the dates, right? One more thing, like one member cannot book the same date, or another member also cannot book the same date, same seat for the same date. Okay, that you can also check on this project. Okay, and father can also manage the members. So if you click on the members, and all the details is showing here, like how many members are there, profile picture, address, or their mobile number, and fathers can delete this members. So I will show you, but if father will delete it, all the booked services will be also gone, that is booked by their members. So I will show you that also. So first let's go to the testimonials. So if you see here in the testimonial sections, that devotee name type means what is the type of that request. So and message also shown here. So father can see it, and once the request is done, father can delete it. So if you click on the delete, father will be, I mean, so all the requests will be deleted here. Okay, and then father can log out. So and if you see here on the booked services, these two services are there, right? But if father deletes this member, then the book services will also be gone. So let's click on the delete member and then check here booked services. These are gone, right? And now if we try to log in with that members, then members cannot log in. That means members again have to create the account and go through all the process. So these are the projects about the church management system. Means many more functions can also be added here. Okay, so please, these are the things. So please subscribe to my channel. This will really motivate me to create more projects. It takes lots of efforts to make one single project. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.